This is going to be an unboxing video of the original neck reading light. So if it is charged, I'll give you an up-close look as well and see what it looks like and what it does. Otherwise, if it's not charged, I'll do another video later on explaining what it does and we'll have an up-close look. But first, this is the unboxing. So this is how it comes packaged. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet. Has the charger cord wrapped around it just up here. Uses a USB-C connection on one end and has the USB-A connection on the other. It doesn't look like it comes with a charging block. That's okay because they're usually very common in most houses. So that's the charger end, and that's the one that plugs into the unit, USB-C. So it comes packaged in plastic. Let's see which end opens. So it's this end that opens up. So it is a little bit larger than I would expect, which is actually not too bad. It provides enough room for the battery system. So it should mean it might say charged a bit longer. Doesn't say here how long it should last, but I guess it depends on the brightness. So let's see if it works straight out of the box. And if it does, we'll do a quick up-close look and see how it works. There we go. So it does work straight out of the box. So it has individual on buttons, which are controlled so they're each controlled individually, and they both seem to have 3 settings: 1, 2, 3, depending on the brightness. And 1, 2, 3. So it does look like a pretty good light. These arms seem to bend and stay, so it seems to have good maneuverability for these parts here. So as you've probably seen, it is good for reading, but it does seem like it'd be good for someone else who maybe works on cars or with some tools and they need both hands free. It does seem to provide adequate light, as you can see. That's on the lowest setting, and that's lighting up pretty good. Next setting on each. So yeah, so as you can see, that does seem like it provides a lot of light. Might be able to provide a follow-up video later on once I've tried it out a few other times to see how durable it is and how long it takes to charge and maybe how long it lasts, but we'll just see how it goes first. But otherwise, it does initially seem like a pretty good product, and it's alright to use for reading or anything else around the house that requires both of your hands.